In this episode, the chef transports viewers to Tehran's kitchens to master Tahdig, a crispy sacred bottom rice. Beginning with soaking rice in saffron, the chef reveals the secret technique that creates a gold crust. As the pot sings, a tale unfolds of Persian hospitality and the dish that crowns many celebratory tables. Personal tip: resist lifting the lid early to preserve steam, and flip the pan with a confident wrist. By the end, creamy saffron steam meets smoky crust, symbolizing centuries of shared gatherings and culinary pride for all.